and show love to Fanum, to the Bronx, and also like, what? So look, I put up on him last time. I was telling him about the fireworks, but I wasn't able to catch him. You know, bro is on the move. So today I brought the fireworks. We're gonna do the fireworks. He says valid because it's on me. I'm doing it. Fanum is not responsible for none of this. I got this shit right
What
here.
you got in here, man?
Some big shit. I don't really know. I've been saving them for my birthday, but like I finally got to do it now. So, for me, I just had to pull up. Fucking high, bro. Appreciate it, bro.
Good looking.
Fuck it. We're gonna start with the calm shit.
I'm saying, bro.
I want Fanum to have a good stream. I'm coming, man.
Type shit.
I just hope the boys don't pull up. Yo, if the boys pull up, I'm gonna have to skate. I might just have to leave.
Free to see.
Yeah, I might just have to leave. Leave all the evidence. And we got the city bus. We're getting away for sure.
Where to go?
Soy un hombre inocente todavía. Necesito una mujer que en las noches me eleve a la luna, volando alto sin dejarme caer.
Yo, right? Here, you see this? Right here, it's perfect.
This valid spot?
I mean, I think there's a car coming, but
You gonna hit it?
hell no. Better not. If not, we on them with the city bikes.
Hell no.
I'm gonna be shooting the rest of them out
We got too much merchandise. Oh, we can shoot the Roman candle.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh shit. Nah, no way. My shit, I just bought that one. Oh! Yo, that's my Jag? Oh! Oh!
I don't know if it's done or not.
I don't know, it's still fake smoky.
Damn, I made it hot. I want to make it hot. He said he blew up the whole spot. But this, if that shit
I
was
ain't gonna
loud,
lie. This one,
bro, if that shit was loud, this shit gonna be loud. And then the other one's gonna be loud too. Pretty like an effect.
oh. Oh.
Well, I'm sorry guys, I didn't mean to ruin the night. I didn't. You know
You might as well, yo,
You know what?
you might as well go out with a bang, you
You
heard?
know what? You right.
Light them bitches.
Where's that? Right here. Light that bitch.
Yo, light all them bitches. Wait. Let's light. Oh! My lighter again. And funk. Yo, back out the big bitch. Back out the big body.
Fuck it.
Back that shit out, you heard?
Oh shit.
We out, man. Yo, Mo.
Oh. Shit.
Okay, got the fatty. What if you want to top on that? You gotta act.
Wait, this shit different, nigga. You gotta put them in individually, bro. You gotta put them in the ball. That shit might be quiet.
That shit by the street light. Where the Hit one of them motherfuckers in there real quick. Good looking, bro.
Oh nah, they left us. They left us with all the evidence.
Oh. Nah, imagine. UAV. Oh, I almost fell over the bike. Oh!
These little niggas is tripping.
Yo. I like
I don't know. I don't know if I should keep going. I don't know if I should keep going or just, I don't know.
Yo, let me light that bitch. Word two. Damn. Yo.
Yo, bro. Nah, he really came over here in fireworks in a city bike. If that's not New York for you, I don't know what New York is.
Yo lo veo, que tu mamá huevo, pues mamá entre peo. ¿Y qué tú vas a hacer cuando te fue en el loco? Te pongo en cuatro y te los chocos. Tu Mario no gasta, tu tiempo está roto. Es un gordo con cuarto si quiero lo exploto. Ay, sí, tú, ay, sí, ¿qué vas a hacer? Ay, sí.
¡El diablo, guacha!
Ay, sí, ¿qué vas a hacer?
Suéltame el tú sabes que tengo hija del cojo, pero para no la cojo, pide el moco del platito, mi huevo en el mejor, pero te perdí contigo y qué rico. Hasta la más buena me la ha dado, se la dejo pensar que te la pongo a semana. Ella sabe que yo soy un chuki, pero estoy frisado, mami, no puedo mirarte, mi mujer la tengo en la... Ay, pero todo el día mi mujer, mami, fue un placer, ahora no te quiero ver. Sigamos a la playa, te vamos por los que yo pasé. Dime esa verdad que vamos a aprender. Yo